The opportunity to tell a congressional committee about what the federal government and states can do to prevent financial exploitation of the elderly. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jennifer Keelman.
And I'm David Oliver. Good to have you along. She was asked by U.S. Senator Claire McCaskill of Missouri to talk about abuse from those appointed as guardians or conservators. Our Nick Thompson is here tonight to explain what she had to say.
Yeah, guys, guardians or conservators are appointed by courts when an elderly person no longer has the ability to manage their financial affairs or health care. And in many cases, the abusers are family members. Ozark's elder law attorney Jessica Cruz, like many folks, says she can get a little cynical about the political process. But she was glad to jump on a plane this week and head to Washington at the request of Senator Claire McCaskill.
Watching this process was really eye-opening, and it really gave me hope that there are people that really do care about these issues.
The witness, Mrs. Cruz from Springfield, did a great job talking about the work that she does in this area and some of the reforms that would be important for the federal government to look at that could be helpful protecting elderly who sometimes have no one working on their behalf except someone who's trying to take advantage of them.
Cruz says there is a lack of concrete data tracking elder abuse and resources for local court systems to identify red flags.
In some counties where resources are low and there's not enough people that take the time to look at each line item of the accounting, those things aren't being caught. The only thing that's being caught is whether the accounting balances at the end of the year.
McCaskill says her committee also learned government agencies need to do a better job of sharing information.
You could have someone who is disqualified from receiving an elderly person's Social Security check because of their behavior, but they could continue to serve as their guardian for other matters because the state has no idea that this fraud had happened.
You know, just be watchful of the people that you encounter on a daily basis who are elderly. Watch who's starting to hang around all of a sudden, and you know, are they trying to isolate that person?
While the government can do more to sharpen its tools, Cruz says the elderly's best resource is the people they're surrounded by every day. Minnesota has developed a software which requires guardians and conservators to report financial information and makes it subject to audit. McCaskill says other states could put the software in place to better track financial exploitation of the elderly.
All right.